I'm John with Consumer Electronics Group. Today we're going to review the product of the Artec T3A Pro digital to analog converter box. Here we've got the actual package as you would get it. Down below inside you've got your converter box, your coax cable, your power source for your converter box, and your remote control along with batteries that comes inside there, and also a nice user manual that'll show you how to set it up if you still got questions. We have our analog TV, and we have our rabbit ears or our antenna that we're going to use as our reception source. On the back of the converter box itself, we have several connection types. We have our antenna in, we have the signal out to the TV, we have RCA cables as an optional secondary connection source if you'd like to use that, our power connection, and a selector source from channel 3 or 4, which you'll need to use to view your digital television. We'll go through the connection here. First, I'm going to take my power source, unwrap our cord here, plug it into the wall, and that's 110. It'll connect our power source in. We'll take our coax cable, hook it up to the back of the television by simply screwing in the threads on the back of your TV with the connection jack. Once the connection to the back of the TV is secure, we're going to take our antenna, connect that to the outside of where it says RF in, and we're going to screw the antenna connection on. And once again, we need to make sure all connections are tight to secure a good reception. After we've put the antenna in, we're going to screw the connection that goes to the television to send our analog signal out of our converter box. Also, when we're finished, we're going to ensure that we have it selected to channel 3 because that's the channel we'll be using to view television from our digital to analog connection on our TV. I've completed my connections. I've ensured I'm on channel 3. I'm going to turn on the power by simply pushing the center button or using the remote and pressing the power button here. Turning on my television, I'm going to ensure that I'm on channel 3 by selecting down till I get to channel 3 on my television. And when I'm on channel 3, I'm going to do a quick scan of my channels to make sure that I get all by pressing menu on our remote, selecting down to channel scan, and simply selecting right, and it'll start to scan the channels. You can watch your progress as it goes. As it scans the channels, it's telling you as it goes through. It'll tell you how many channels it picks up. Here in Duluth, Minnesota, we have 12 channels, so you'll watch this channel as it increases till 12 channels. And as I've said before, you can watch the progress as it goes through. It goes through pretty quickly. You can stop it at any time by pressing enter or OK on your menu on your remote, and stop it whenever you like. We found our 12 channels. I could stop it, but it just moves quickly enough to let it proceed. We've completed it, so I'm going to press exit on our menu, or on our remote from our menu, and we'll simply start enjoying digital television. As you may notice, the channels may be slightly different by 6.3 or 6.2, 8.1, but that's just how they are displayed on your current digital television. And it's as simple as that. We are now enjoying digital television. Thank you for your time.